you tired of wrestling with content creation? Spending countless hours crafting articles that just don't engage your audience? Frustrated with AI tools that require endless prompting and still deliver bland, generic content? What if there was a way to revolutionize your content creation process, effortlessly producing flawless articles without complicated prompts or expensive subscriptions? Let me introduce you to the CreateBox Article Writer, the game-changing tool every marketer needs to create flawless articles. With CreateBox, you can create authority-driven, reader-engaging articles that convert without any prior writing experience or knowledge of AI prompts. No more struggling with prompts, no more robotic-sounding content, just high-quality, professional articles tailored to your audience. Here's how easy it is to create amazing content with CreateBox. Step 1. Choose your article, type select from a variety of styles, including how-to guides, listicles, opinion pieces, reviews, key takeaways, long-form articles, and more. Step 2. Enter a title. Simply input the title you have in mind, or let our tool suggest compelling article ideas based on your topic. Step 3. Fill in the options. Provide a few key details for your content, hit create, and watch as your article comes to life in minutes, polished and ready for use. And that's it. Make any quick edits and access all your articles neatly stored in one place. Use this content anywhere. Create SEO-optimized articles that drive free traffic to your website. Publish engaging posts on your blog or affiliate sites. Expand your reach by posting on Medium or other third-party platforms. Offer article writing as a service to clients and cash in. With CreateBox, the possibilities are endless. Say goodbye to struggling with content creation or settling for basic, generic articles. Imagine consistently producing engaging, valuable content that your audience is hungry for. Content that performs. Create, refine, repeat. With the CreateBox Article Writer, producing high-quality content is a breeze, no matter your niche. You don't need to be an expert or have any technical skills. This method is fast and simple, guiding you step by step to create content that's polished and professional in no time. Today, you can unlock instant access to the complete tool, packed with everything you need to create well-structured articles without the need for prompts, complicated processes, or expensive monthly subscriptions. Secure your copy of the CreateBox Article Writer, and that's not all. As a special bonus, when you order today, you'll also receive our slogan generator absolutely free. Create unforgettable slogans in seconds. Whether you're building a brand or launching a product, stand out with powerful, catchy slogans that leave a lasting impression. Instant creativity. Generate attention-grabbing slogans with the click of a button. No brainstorming required. Endless possibilities. Access a variety of slogan options to find the perfect match for your brand. Turn creativity into action with the CreateBox Slogan Generator. So what are you waiting for? Secure your copy of the CreateBox Article Writer and start revolutionizing your content today. Your journey to flawless, engaging articles begins now. Don't miss out on this exclusive opportunity to elevate your content and outshine the competition. CreateBox Article Writer, where creativity meets simplicity.